My name is Wendy Heyeman and I am the workshop coordinator of AMTA, or American Modeling Teachers Association. But modeling instruction is student-centered. Students are the ones actively learning. They are engaged, they're doing labs. As a teacher, it can be scary because you lose control. That's why some teachers prefer to lecture. You stand in front of the classroom and the students just listen, hopefully. The teachers need to learn how to teach in a different way than they themselves were taught when they were in school. A teacher comes into the classroom and they play student. They pretend that they are the student, go through the entire exercises as a student, or you start with brainstorming about a certain activity, then you do the activity with your peers in a small group, 3 to 4 people. As students, you make your whiteboards, you start talking about, what is it that we just did. The students themselves, or in our case, the teachers, find a relationship using the data that they themselves have collected. Then you form a whiteboard circle and you start looking at each other's boards. What is the same? What is different? Normally the workshops take place during the summer and it is 3 weeks, 5 days a week. Research has shown that you need to be immersed in the workshop. It is such a different way of teaching that a 1 day, even a 1 week workshop does not change your teaching style. And in the second or the third week, teachers also will be the ones playing the teacher for the other teachers. We have had teachers who were on the verge of leaving the profession and coming to these workshops, working with teachers who are very enthusiastic about the topic, about the content, about learning a different strategy. They feel rejuvenated. Thousands of teachers have taken modeling workshops. Modeling instruction is a good way of teaching. It's one of the best practices. It falls really nicely in line with the next generation science standards. And the more people know about modeling instruction, the better.